after the first part of class this week.
Okay.
Because we're going to have a chance to finish this up. We're still working with the effect of that one snow day being skewed out a day. But right now what you've got is that this is the telencephalon. This is Dian. Those two together come from Prosen.
Okay.
This is the metencephalon in here. This is the this is the mesencephalon here. This is the metencephalon, which will become cerebrum, and this is the myelin. Okay? And that was gives rise to telen, Dian. Mesen stays as mesen. Remember I said there were optic lobes? That's these little bulbs here are the optic lobes. This will be the cerebellum, which is arising from the metencephalon.
Okay.
This is the myelencephalon, lower stem, and down here actually would be just the very beginning of the spinal cord.
All right.
Now in class we're going to further differentiate into a cerebrum, into a thalamus, into things like this is a ventricle in here, one of the spaces, so that we'll actually be able to understand a little more about this brain after the first portion of class this week. In fact, it wouldn't be a bad idea, maybe if I remember, I'm going to write down the hall, that's right. And if I forget, you'll remind me. I'll grab the thing and use it right.
Well, that's a good idea. Yeah. And this is the heart model that we should be looking at?
Yeah.
For the shark?
Instead of dissecting the actual
right, so you have like the obvious ventricle atrium and
split them open.
Cool. And you have all those
with the sinus venosus, atrium, sinoatrial valve, ventricle, atrioventricular valve, the cusps. They don't see the chorda tendineae and all that on this.
But you
that would be
know that it's there,
class,
right?
Then into the conus or truncus arteriosus, semilunar valves,
Yeah,
ventral aorta, afferent branchioles. Shown in blue on here because it would be deoxygenated, but there is no injection at all in these guys. In the shark, and you've got to be careful. They're easy to grip them when you're trying to remove muscle.
With the semilunar, in our drawings, we had multiple semilunars.
Yes.
And this model, they just simplify it. Gotcha. Okay. Terrific.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir.
So you did a video? Cool.
And I guess everything that's colored on here is basically the same as that one.
What?
The colors match up.
Oh, right.
Yeah.